Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell about AngularJS custom directives. Custom directives are used in AngularJS to extend the functionality of HTML. Custom directives are defined using directive function. A custom directive simply replaces the element for which is activated. AngularJS provides support to create custom directives for following four types of element. The first element is element directives. Directives activates when a matching element is encountered. This is syntax, opening and closing tag. The second element, attribute. Directive activates when a matching attribute is encountered. This is syntax. Now third element, CSS. Directive activates when a matching CSS style is encountered. Class equal to my directive colon expression semicolon. I am using here double quote. The last element, comment. Directive activates when a matching comment is encountered. See here, directive equal to my directive colon expression semicolon. Again I am using here double quote and this is comment. Four properties of directive. The first is restrict. It specifies how a directive is implemented in an Angular app. There are four restrict options. Restrict A. A means attribute. Second, restrict C. C means class. Restrict E. Element. The last is restrict M. Comment. Now second property is scope. It accesses data or methods inside template and link function. Scope colon 2, that means get new scope. Scope colon false means use its parent scope. Scope colon curly braces get new isolated scope that doesn't inherit from parent and exist on its own. The third property, template. It specifies the HTML content that will be generated when directive is compiled. Now the last property, template URL. It specifies the path of template that should be used by directives. You observe this example. HTML start here, close here, then script tag, then body tag. I am using here ng-app equal to my app. This is directive. Script tag, angular.module, then directive. Two parameter use here, then return template, heading tag use here.